Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on show active communities on your Reddit app. We will go to turn on this mark on now how we can do that on your Reddit app. All you have to do, you just go up here in this picture, you will click, then it's going to show for you this window like this, and you just click here on my profile or your profile here, and it's going to take you to this window here, and you click here on edit, then you come to edit window here and you just come here to show active communities. You will click here on this mark or here, and like you see this color show for us. This color show for us here, that's mean show active communities. It's turned on now. So you just go up here, you click here on save, and when you click it's going to save you with you. So that's all you have to do. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.